Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use protein powder and pre-workout. To start with pre-workout, mix 1 scoop with 8 to 12 ounces of water. It's best to consume it 20 to 30 minutes before your workout for optimal effects. If you're new to it, begin with a half scoop to assess your tolerance and see how your body reacts. This helps ensure a safe and effective experience. Pre-workout is designed to boost your energy, focus, and endurance, helping you power through intense training sessions. Key ingredients often include caffeine for alertness and creatine for strength. Remember to avoid taking it too late in the day, especially if you are sensitive to stimulants, to prevent disrupting your sleep schedule. Listen to your body's response. Now, let's talk about protein powder. For muscle recovery and growth, aim to consume your protein shake within 30 to 60 minutes after your workout. Mix 1 to 2 scoops with 8 to 12 ounces of water, milk, or your favorite beverage. It's a convenient and efficient way to deliver essential amino acids to your muscles when they need them most. Protein powder is excellent for supporting muscle repair and growth, especially after strenuous exercise. It also helps you meet your daily protein intake goals, which is crucial for overall health and fitness. You can easily mix it into water, milk, or even blend it into a smoothie for a delicious and nutritious boost. It's a versatile supplement for any fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.